This is a YouTube channel for Java programming. We will talk about how to develop Java application in the Microsoft Windows environment. First of all, you need to establish a development environment. In this tutorial, we will talk about how to install the required software and the changes needed in Microsoft Windows. We will provide you with our source code in every tutorial. The source codes will be provided in form of Eclipse projects. So at the end of this tutorial, we will talk about how to open existing project in Eclipse. There are two software needed. The first one is Java Development Kit, JDK. You must have JDK to execute Java programs. Another software we needed is an Integrated Development Environment, IDE. Eclipse will be used as the IDE in our tutorials. You can actually develop Java application by solely using JDK, but it will be very inefficient because you need to deal with this difficult-to-use command prompt. It will be far more productive if you use an IDE software with graphical user interface. The IDE Eclipse also provides additional useful features such as highlights of programming errors. Eclipse can also be integrated with the web server Tomcat to develop and test Java web applications. Let's talk about how to install JDK. The latest version now is 1.8, but there are chances that some common Java programming library may not support the latest version. So it is suggested to install one version earlier, which is the version 1.7. You can directly search JDK 7 in Google. It's convenient that the first result is a JDK download website. After you click into this website, you will discover that this version is 7 but not 1.7. In the world of Java, both 1.7 and 7 refer to the same JDK version. There are various JDK versions for different OS. Please choose between 64-bit and 32-bit version according to your OS. There is significant difference between 64-bit OS and 32-bit OS. The total memory limitations of a 32-bit Windows is 3 GB. A single 32-bit program can only use up to 2 GB memory. But a 64-bit program can use much more memory. The limitation is 7 TB. Under normal circumstances, a computer will not install up to 7 TB memory. But a Windows OS with 8 GB memory is much better than one with 3 GB only. If MySQL, Eclipse, and Tomcat run concurrently on a 32-bit OS, they will use up nearly all the memory. So it is suggested to use a 64-bit Windows for development. Let's go back to the download page. Click Accept License Agreement and download the installation file. I usually save the file under the D drive temp folder. After download has completed, click Run to start the installation. You may change the default directory to D drive JDK 1.7 to make it more accessible. The second installation directory is the JRE Java Runtime directory. This JRE is for the web browser's Java app pack. You can keep it as default. If you keep this setting the same as your client's computer, it can help you to work with their user support cases. After JDK installation, you can create a Java_home environment variable in Windows. Java applications like Tomcat require a Java runtime. The Java_home environment variable can help those applications to locate the Java runtime. Right-click your computer icon, choose Property, and then Advanced System Setting. Choose Environment variable. In the System Variable section, click New. Type in the variable name Java_home and the value D drive JDK 1.7. Finally, click all the OK buttons. The next step is Eclipse installation. you can directly search the word Eclipse in Google. The first entry in the search result is the download page. There are different versions of Eclipse in this page. As we will talk about how to develop Java web application in future, so please download the version Java IDE for Java EE developers. Please choose a mirror site near your location to download the file. Save the Eclipse zip file into your hard disk. In this example, I saved under D drive time folder. Let's wait 7 minutes for the download to complete. When it's done, unzip the folder. You can unzip it to the folder D drive Eclipse. There is a slow installation process for Eclipse. It can be directly used after unzip. You can create a shortcut for the Eclipse program. Copy this eclipse.exe file, go to your desktop, and right-click the mouse to paste the shortcut. Double-click the icon to start up the Eclipse program. It will ask for the location of the workspace folder. Workspace is a folder to store your Eclipse projects. You can choose any folder you like. I usually choose the folder D drive workspace. Wait for Eclipse to start up. When you see this user interface, your Eclipse is ready to use. Click the first restore icon on the left-hand side. It will show you the Project Explorer view. The environment is now ready for Java programming. We have source code for each tutorial. You can download them in form of Eclipse projects. So let's talk about how to open existing projects in Eclipse. You can download a simple hardware project here. Please unzip this project and put the unzipped hardware folder under Eclipse Workspace. In the Eclipse project, click File, and then select Import, General, and then select Existing Projects into Workspace. Choose the unzipped hardware folder, and then click Finish. A hardware projects folder will appear in the Project Explorer. You can run the project by firstly click the green arrow button on the toolbars, and then select Java Application and click OK. The end result of this program is a hardware message at the bottom console of Eclipse. We have talked about how to set up a Java development environment. In the next videos, we will start to write programs in Java. Please subscribe our channel.